So good day everyone. My name is JR Vasquez. Today we are going to discuss about the types of stocks, ingredients and its procedures. What are stocks? Stocks are flavorful liquids made by shimmering bones, meat, vegetable or fish with water and aromatics like herbs and spices. This serves as the foundation for many dishes, such as soup, sauces, stew, and gravies. Stocks provide flavor, aroma, body, and richness to different recipes, making them essential in cooking. Basic types of stocks: white stock, brown stock, fish stock, and vegetable stock. White stock: a light, clear stock made by shimmering and brown bones like chicken, beef, or whale, with vegetable. The ingredients: unbrowned bones, marpua like onions, carrots, and celery, and water. The white stock procedures: rinse the bones well to remove blood and impurities. Place the bones in a large pot and cover them with cold water. Slowly bring the pot to a simmer. Skim off any foam or scum that rises to the surface. Add mirepoix, onions, carrots, celery, and herbs. Continue simmering gently without stirring. Let it cook for several hours, skimming occasionally. Strain the stock, remove solid, and cool. Brown stock: a dark, rich stock made by browning bones and vegetable before simmering them. The ingredients: beef or whale bones, marpua, onions, carrots, and celery, water, tomato paste, optional for deeper color. Brown stock procedures: arrange bones on a tray and roast them until brown. Add marpua to the same tray and roast until caramelized. Transfer the roasted bones and vegetable to a pot. Add cold water to cover the ingredients. Bring the pot to a simmer and skim impurities. Add tomato paste if desired for deeper color. Simmer for several hours, adding water if needed. Strain the liquid and cool. Fish stock: a clear aromatic stock made from fish bones, usually white lean fish, that cooks faster than other stocks. Ingredients: fish bones and trimmings, marpua, onions, carrots, and celery, water, herbs, optional. Fish stock procedure: rinse fish bones thoroughly under cold water. Chop the marpua into small pieces. Lightly saute the marpua to release aroma. Add the fish bone into the pot with the vegetables. Pour cold water just enough to cover the bones. Bring a gentle simmer and skim off foam. Simmer for 30 to 60 minutes only. Strain carefully and cool. Vegetable stock: a light, quick stock made from various vegetables and herbs. It is the fastest and easiest stock to prepare. The ingredients: mixed vegetable like onion, carrot, celery, garlic, leeks, and etc. Water, herbs like bay leaf, parsley, thyme. Vegetable stock procedure: wash all vegetable thoroughly to remove dirt. Cut vegetable into uniform pieces. Place them into a pot and add cold water. Add herbs such as bay leaf, thyme, or parsley. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer. Stir lightly to help release flavors. Simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. Strain the stock and cool. The conclusion: the four basic stocks, white stock, brown stock, fish stock, and vegetable stock, serve as essential foundation in cooking. Each stock has its own preparation method and unique flavor profile, making them versatile bases for soups, sauces, stew, and many other dishes. Learning how to properly prepare these stocks help improve the overall taste, aroma, and quality of meals. By understanding their ingredients and procedures, cooks can create richer, deeper, and more balanced flavor in their culinary preparation. Thank you.